Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, to Rogue Thinking. I'm Sanford Kahn, sometimes referred to as the Rogue Meister, but in reality, I'm an economic consultant and business author. What I'm going to be talking about is based on an ebook I have on Amazon and Kindle. Let me hold it up here so you can see it. It's called Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. Let me get it straight. Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. Sanford Kahn. It's on Amazon and Kindle, all for $1.99, or as I say when I mention the book, it's about equal to a price of a small coffee at Starbucks. I think it would be wise for you to get it. It will help you. It will give you a different point of view in this age of economic and political confusion. Anyways, let's get into the program. This lesson number 3 will be entitled, let me get my glasses. Without my glasses, it's kind of fuzzy. I had a cataract operation. I could see great at distance, but when it comes close, I have to wear glasses. Lesson number 3, the simple and concise explanation of human behavior. This is based on Occam's principle. Occam's razor, it's actually called. It's not a shaving instrument. I think I have a video on Occam's razor. William of Ockham was a 14th century philosopher and theologian. English philosopher and theologian. And he said, basically in modern language, the simpler the solution, the more likely it is to be correct. This is dirt simple and very short. Very short. I think you'll like it. I'm going to read it so I get it correct, okay? I usually don't like to read, but I want to get it correct. So let's go. The simple and concise explanation of human behavior. People act and do what they perceive to be in their best interest. The key word is perception. That's why I emphasize it. It's perception. It doesn't mean that what people do and say will always be in their best interest. It may not, but they perceive it to be. That's how they act. They perceive it to be. Their perception is their reality. You understand that? Their perception is their reality. It may be completely false. There's a group in England, I believe, called the Flat Earth Society. They still believe the Earth is flat. Could you imagine that? And no matter how much pictures you show them and all that, they still believe the Earth is flat. That's their perception. That's their reality. You probably won't change them. Give up and try to change them. That's the way they are. Let's go on. It's almost over. For example, people do unselfish acts because it makes them feel good about themselves while helping others. That's not a bad reason to do it. So people act and do what they perceive to be in their best interest. Even if sometimes they're kind of local, they perceive that to be in their best interest. This may save you a lot of money if you're in therapy and all that. Who knows? But at least it'll give you a different point of view. Anyways, I spoke down long enough. Appreciate if you could pass this lesson number 3 on to other people. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I very much would appreciate it. Take care now, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.